Hello students. So in the last class we were discussing about the differentiation between RGB color model and CMY color model. Also we have discussed about the color combination of a unit cube in both RGB and CMY color model. So let us discuss again that color model is nothing but the displacement of color on any screen by which we can display any broad spectrum of colors on your mobile, palm top, laptop, etc. screens. So that is the way by which we can display any color on the computer screens or any type of screen, whatever you want. So in this series there is a third type of color model also, which is known as HSV color model, or also known as HSB color model. If you are asked with both of them, then the concept of both of them is quite same, because here V is replaced by B only, where H represents hue, S represents saturation, and V represent what? Value, or B represents brightness. Now that is the main concept of HSV color model. The first thing is hue, the second thing is saturation, and the third thing is value or brightness. So what is the basic meanings of hue, saturation and value? Now let us discuss. Hue means the difference between two pure colors. How far two pure colors are from each other is displayed by a hue. It means distance between two pure colors. Distance between two pure color means whatever will be the distance between two pure colors, it will be displayed by a hue. Now next thing is saturation. Saturation means how far a pure color is from white color or white light. How far a pure color is from white color. Saturation means the distance between a pure color and white color is displayed by what? Saturation. There is a huge difference between hue and saturation. It means hue is the distance between two pure colors, but in saturation one color is pure color and the other color must be a white color, because the differentiation or the distance between two colors such as a white color, white is must there, and another color is pure color, then it is saturation. Now let us talk about value or brightness. It displays V and B. It displays brightness or shine of any color. Whatever will be the shine or brightness added to the any of the color is displayed by its brightness or value. A value means nothing but how much a brightness is added to a particular color is displayed by a value. Now let's talk again about HSV color model. So some of the basic points on which HSV color model is created is the first one. First point is that it is displayed in the way of a diamond shape or hexagonal pyramidal shape, having a shape of a diamond or hexagonal pyramidal shape. It means it is having a diamond shape or hexagon pyramidal shape. Second thing is that it is having a large amount of color display, or it creates a large amount of color spectrum. Creates large amount of color spectrum. Both RGB and CMY also displays a large amount of color spectrum, but this is also a basic model by which we can display various colors in a well synchronized way. Now, next thing is that it is totally based on RGB color model. The main and the basic concept of this model is totally based on your RGB color model. Whatever will be the concept of RGB color model will be followed by this HSV color model. Since the difference is that there is no primary and secondary colors, but the axis of rotation of each and every color is totally based on RGB color modeling. So that is our basic requirements for HSV or HSB color model, where X stands for hue. Hue is nothing but a distance between two pure colors. S displays the saturation. Saturation means how far a pure color is from a white color. It means the difference between white color and a pure color is displayed by saturation. But the distance between two pure colors is displayed by a hue. Now the third thing is value or brightness. It is the shine of any color. It means whatever will be the brightness of any color will be displayed by V and V, or we can say value and brightness. Next, it is having a shape of diamond shape, or we can say it is a hexagon pyramidal shape. Now the next thing is it creates a large spectrum of colors. It means it is having the capacity to create or to develop a very big amount of color spectrum in a very well synchronized way. Next, totally based on RGB color modeling. It means it is totally based on the first color model of the color scheme, which is RGB color model. Now, so that is the diagram of your HSV color model, which is, I say, a diamond shape or hexagon pyramidal. This lower part displays a pyramid shape, and this is the hexagon displayed on the top of this diagram. Now, also there are three axes also in which it displays the color scheme, which are x-axis, y-axis and z-axis and y-axis. X-axis is displayed for horizontal way, which is the width of any graphic or image. Y-axis represents the vertical axis on which a particular pure color is displayed, and also there is z-axis on which particularly another color is displayed. Now let us discuss about all the three axes and their images, in which primary colors are red, green, blue, so it displays red color. Leave one vertex and then other is displayed by green color. Leave one and the last of hexagon is displayed by blue color. Now since red is displayed by red, x is displayed by red, y axis is displayed by green and z axis is displayed by blue color, then also there is a combination of both colors. Since we have studied in RGB color modeling that the combination of two or more than two colors displays another special type of color. So in which red and green displays what? Yellow color. So red and green displays yellow color. Now green and blue displays cyan color. So this is cyan color. And blue and red displays what? Magenta. So there is another thing which is quite important is that at the center of this point we are having white color. It means it have all the intensities at its fullest, 1, 1 and 1. And this dotted line from white color to the ground level of this is displayed by black color or 0, 0, 0. Now this dotted line displays color which is made up of the combination of equal amount of white and black color both. So it displays what? Grey color, which displays the amount of 0.5, 0.5 and 0.5 amount of that. So it is a different thing. Now let us discuss about what are the basic coordinate system for each and every pure color and each and every secondary color, primary colors, or what is the coordinate system. Since we are discussing all the coordinate system in RGB and CMY, so we have to discuss this here. Now it is at 0 degree or 360 degree, because it is a full rotation of this concept. Then it starts from 0 degrees and complete its interference with 360 degrees. Now each and every pure color is at a distance of 60 degree each. So 0 plus 60 is 60 degree. 60 plus 60, this is at 90. 60 plus 60, 120. 120 plus 60, 180. 180 plus 60, 240. 240 plus 60, 300. So this is 300 degree. And 300 plus 60, it is at 360 degrees. So that is the basic concept of RGB color model based HSV color model. Now, what about the modules which are used in HSV color model, such as hue, saturation and value? So as I say, hue is nothing but a distance between two pure color is known as a hue. This is a pure color. Now at this point, yellow is also a pure color because it is made up by adding these two colors. But when I placed it at this vertex, it is now a pure color. So this is a hue. From red to yellow, it is a hue. From green to yellow, it is a hue. From green to cyan, from cyan to blue, from blue to magenta, and from magenta to red. They displays, each and every time they displays a fixed hue. Now saturation, as we all know, this is white color, so the distance between a white color and a pure color, from white to magenta, from white to red, from white to yellow, from white to green, from white to cyan, from white to blue, each and every time it displays a saturation. So this is a saturation. So totally there are 6 hues and 6 saturations are displayed on this diagram. Now what are the basic concept of value? Value is nothing but brightness or shine to any color. So this line at the top displays value or brightness. It means whatever will be the distance of each and every color from this value is displayed by brightness, or whatever will be the shine of any color will be displayed by value. So that is the whole concept for HSV color model, which is based on RGB color model, in which primary colors are or the real colors are red, green and blue, and the secondary colors are which are made by addition of 2 or more than 2 primary colors is this. So here it displays white color, and at the bottom of this diagram it displays black color. Between this point and this point it displays a dotted line, which is a gray scale, or which can be displayed here at the dotted scale. So it is having 0.5, 0.5 and 0.5 value, because it is not having a full intensity of black color nor even white color. They are having the equal amount of white color and black color at this dotted line. So the coordinate system for this is 0.5, 0.5 and 0.5. So that is the whole concept of HSV color model, and in the next class we will discuss about the core differences of RGB color model and the core differences of CMY color model. So that is enough for today.